How can we do this? Can we do this without taking teeth out? Hopefully. Here's your Radiance product done. Let's go through a sequence of wires. Where's my wire team? Who are my wire team people? Anyone on the wire team? Not on here yet? Okay. Anyway, nice wires. Because the wires are what do the work. The wires, the deformation of the wire is what puts the energy into the system to actually straighten the teeth out. Here we are with the elastics, vertical elastics, and the pearl colored power chain. Anyone on the elastics team here? No. What do you guys do? I thought you said the manufacturing thing. Pretty great. Right? So now he's going into a senior here looking pretty